Is that a balloon, Isaac? Balloon. Alice found a nice balloon for Isaac's birthday. It's a little bit early, but he has to practice with it first, right?
It's bigger than Isaac.
What's that?
My balloon is bigger than Isaac.
Is it bigger than Isaac? It's pretty big. What a nice balloon.
Isaac, look.
Daddy's going to show you something fascinating. Jeez, Alice.
Oh, is that exciting?
Taste
It's
it.
exciting.
Of course it's exciting.
Taste it.
Yeah, I'm still taking the video. When Isaac was littler, he really liked to, what would you call that? Bounce the balloon up and down, pull on it and shake it as hard as he could. He's much calmer about it today.
Right now. Give him time, maybe.
Isaac.
Gentle, gentle.
Isaac was cutting the ribbon.
That's a long ribbon.
I want it to be on like this.
I think it's just gonna reel it in. Reeling it in.
That and a butterfly.
Yeah, that's neat that it comes with a butterfly on the end. I haven't seen that before.
Because if they say, because a butterfly, they give us a butterfly.
Yeah. All right. I think that's the end.
Bye-bye.
Say bye to the video, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.